Well, this Thanksgiving, a rare, pristine comet will be making a once-in-a-lifetime journey around the sun, Comet ISON. Joining us now to talk a little bit more about this comet is Dr. Alex Young from NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
So tell us, what is a comet and why do we study them?
Well, comets are big chunks of rock and ice from the outer solar system. This particular one has taken a little over 5 million years to get here. But what makes comets really exciting is that they are fossils from the early solar system. They are pieces of pristine material from the formation of the planets and formation of the sun. So studying comets gives us a look back in the past that allows us to see the conditions 4.5 billion years ago. Now, this one is also special because it's what we call a sun-grazing comet. It's going to make a very close approach to the sun, close to the solar surface through its atmosphere. Now, and that's exciting because not only does it allow us to get a better look at the comet itself, but it allows us to look at the conditions in the solar atmosphere and study them in a way that we normally would not be able to do.
Now, will we be able to see Comet ISON with the naked eye?
Well, first, we're going to see it past the sun. We're going to see it with several of our solar telescopes. In particular, the Solar Dynamics Observatory is going to follow it during its closest approach to the sun. We call that perihelion. And we're going to be able to look at it with incredible detail and in light that's not visible light, but extreme ultraviolet light. Now, once it makes it past the sun, if it's still intact, and it has a very good chance of being intact, then we're going to be able to see it in the sky, hopefully with our naked eye. Starting about December 1st, we'll see it low in the sky early in the morning, and that it will get progressively higher and progressively earlier into the darkness. And by December 17th, it should be high enough in the sky that it's roughly about the location of the Big Dipper.
Now tell us, what's so exciting about this comet?
Well, this comet is exciting because this is the first time it's been here, the first time it's going to pass the sun, and it's also going to be the last time. So it's kind of a pristine comet, and it's also a once-in-a-lifetime chance. It's not going to come back. Now, the other thing is we've seen many sun-grazing comets, almost 3,000 of them with solar telescopes, but we've only seen a couple really close to the solar atmosphere, and we've only seen one really close that made it past, Comet Lovejoy, and this particular comet, ISON, is 10 times bigger than Lovejoy. So this gives us an even better indication that it's going to make it, and it's also going to be at a different location in the atmosphere, allowing us to study new parts of the sun's atmosphere. And this is just, all in all, it's a very exciting and a very unique object.
Can we learn more about Comet ISON?
If you go to nasa.gov/ISON, you can learn all about ISON. You can learn about its close passage to the sun and see the data that's coming near real time from SDO. And on Thanksgiving Day, on November 28th, we'll also have a Google Hangout, and we'll be following its journey by the sun and through this exciting, harsh atmosphere.
Thank you so much, Dr. Alex Young. Thanks for joining us.
You're welcome.